and good morning, student. This is your English teacher Manoj Kumar Verma. Today I am with you a new topic, letter to the editor. Well, before starting, I want to ask a question. Why do we write a letter to the editor? As we know that there are many problems and issues in our society which we or suffer every day. We cannot share our problem directly to the authority or concerned person. So, it is easy for us to share our problem to the editor so that it is reached to the concerned authority by the means of the newspaper article in and besides most other people can share of this issue. This is why we write a letter to the editor. Well, let us see the format of the newspaper editorial letter and how to write a letter to the editor. So this is the letter to the editor format. First, before starting, dear student, you have to write the sender's address. Sender's address means suppose you are writing, your address would be there, but remember your address should be either in 2 or 3 lines. So, but don't write your name. And after writing your address, then you have to write your date. Date should be in two format. Like for example, I have given over here either say 2nd May 2020 or May 2nd 2020. This is the correct expression. Don't write 2.5 2020. This is wrong expression. After giving the space, you have to write the sender's receiver's name or rank and his or her address. For example, the editor, it is the rank whom we are writing the letter, and the address is the Times of India whom we are writing the Times of to the Times of India, editor to the Times of India, and from where it published from Patna. So this is the address and this is rank. So here one thing also I would like to tell you that sometime in question paper it is write a letter to the National Daily. National Daily means many students confused in writing National Daily because National Daily means the newspaper which published on national basis every day. So this is national basis. Here the newspaper is the Times of India. You can write the Statesman, you can write the Hindus or any other newspaper. After giving space, you should write the subject. Subject could be very authentic and eye catching. So you should start either with the about, for or regarding, and then it should be short. Don't forget to write the complete sentence. Many students write complete sentence in the answer paper, but don't write in complete sentence. It should be eye catching, small. Better to write in a phrase. Then after giving a small space, so salutation would be there. Salutation can be expressed in two ways. First, you should write dear sir or dear madam. But it is old, so you can write sir or madam. This is more authentic. Don't write over here any comma. So second thing is that letter, body of the letter. This is very authentic part. Authentic part of the letter to the editor. So first is introduction. Introduction. So introduction should be in two ways. You can also put any other ways also. So suppose for example, through your columns, I want to draw your attention of the topic would be there towards the improvement in the in their curriculum. Okay, and the second is that through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to express my view about the topic. You can write in this way or any other way also. If you have, you can put, there is no problem. So one thing always remember that letter should be always start from the left hand side. From here only, this line indicate that it starts from here only. So the second paragraph would be very expressive. This is expression. So explanation. So explanation is the you can say the heart of the writing to the letter. So it deals with why the problem is rising and how the problem is rising. These two answer would be very authentic over here. Besides, with with the proper suggestions, you have to write a few suggestions how the problem could be solved. This is also very important. As for class 10 student, as I think that you have to write 4 or 5 suggestions would be there. 4 or 5 suggestions including why and how the problem is arising. This would be in the second paragraph, that is explanation. It is starts from left hand side here from only. Okay, the last and conclusion paragraph is the conclusion, and conclusion will be also start from here, like it just start like this: I shall be highly obliged to you if you write my above views in your newspaper. So this is how we can write the 3 paragraph. Always remember that the paragraph will be start from the left hand side. It doesn't have any matter that where it ends, but second paragraph is always start from left hand side. It would be in a straight line. The third paragraph again it starts from the left hand side. It does not matter where it ended, but each and every paragraph there should be a space. At last you have to write your subscription should be written in this way: yours sincerely or truly. Yours sincerely or truly. After writing yours sincerely or truly, signature of the writer should be there. Suppose your name is Anup, you have to write your name Anup. Don't write any title. CBSE does not want any title. So yours, and many students write your apostrophe. Apostrophe is great mistake. So don't write apostrophe. Yours would be there. Okay, dear student, I hope this video would be fruitful while you are writing a letter to the editor. Thank you very much. Be safe and stay at home. Thank you.